Hello and welcome! Today we'll make these ghost face earrings. You'll need these screaming supplies. Take a ball of white clay and flatten it into your ghost face. Make sure the bottom is long and thin to make room for his screaming mouth. And then place it on a rounded surface, such as a tool or a pencil. Make sure it is something that can be baked in the oven. We will be leaving our ghost face on this surface to bake it. Begin by carving in the nose shape, which is basically an upside down heart. I'm using this crochet needle to carve in the mouth shape. Start at the top and push up, and then work your way down to the bottom and push down. By doing this, you'll create a lip at the top and the bottom. Gently push in the sides to make the center of the mouth more narrow. Very lightly carve in where you want the eyes to be and the shape of the eyes. And then begin carving them in. By carving out around the eyes, you'll create a rim. If you're having a scary good time watching this, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you, future subscriber. Make a second one and then bake your pieces. Fill in the eyes, nose, and mouth with black paint. Once your pieces have dried, take a damp soapy cloth and wipe off any excess paint. Now glue on your earring backings. These are scary. If you're still watching to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Only a few more days left until Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!